Let me show you the quick process of unblocking someone on Snapchat. If you had previously blocked someone and if you're trying to find a way that you can unblock them, let me show you how you can do it. Now when you block someone on Snapchat, even if you search their usernames on the search bar, that person wouldn't be visible. So in this case, what you can do is tap on the Bitmoji on the top left. From here, tap on the settings on the top right. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll have a separate section of blocked. Tap on the blocked option and it's going to show you all of the people that you have blocked on your Snapchat account. To simply unblock them, tap on this cross and tap on yes. Now this way, people will be unblocked from your Snapchat, and if you head back, and now you can search up their usernames and that person will be visible on your Snapchat. So that was a quick process on unblocking someone on Snapchat. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.